See, nobody knows who you are.
It's been a while, folks.
Yeah, last week.
Yeah, don't ask Fred's back.
Yeah, they ask every now and then. So what do we got? We got a mailbox. Toolbox, not a mailbox. It's a toolbox.
It's a toolbox. It's diesel.
Well, how do you say that? Hcalory or?
Hcalory.
Caloria?
Hcalory? How about calorie?
It looks like a radio.
With an H.
It's got a radio with a big knob on it. That's what it looks like to me.
New toy.
What do you got? You open it yet?
Tatro.
Yeah, you got my knife in there already?
Yeah, we
I took a knife to the box already. What the hell's in here?
This is the phone.
I tell you, it's just like a radio. See, there's the knob.
It's a phone hole. Alright, it looks like...
Flip it upside down on the floor. That's how I do it. Just dump it on the floor. Don't worry about it. But don't worry about hurting it. It's a video test. Real world testing. Okay, flip it over. Let's go. Pull that thing up. How heavy is it, Fred?
It's not heavy anymore.
It's a lot lighter than it was. Oh, we got a manual. Look at that.
I guess you're supposed to dump it that way.
Ooh, now, look at that. Look how that is a book. Now that's a manual there.
And there's the
real instructions there.
Yeah. Don't pay any attention to the correct way of doing it.
Look, Fred, there's a lot of pictures in here. I like this.
Hey, we can open this box too. Where's your knife? Ooh, broke something.
I hit something. There's something in the box. I hit it.
So I think I told you guys a while back I dozed out, man. Uncle Sam paid me.
Don't go pissing off my damn viewers about Doge.
7.5 freaking months not to work.
Damn Christy, you're gonna start emailing me about stuff.
I got some more exhaust.
Hey, I got another exhaust pipe.
And then it's all stretchy.
Got a heater hose.
Why do you need all these?
That's a muffler. It's the same as the last one. Clamps.
A bracket to mount it somewhere, maybe?
That's something new.
A directional.
Well, I lost that on the other one. When I made the move, I lost some parts for the other one, so I need a backup parts.
Controls.
Got a lot of wiring here. Look at this. This is nice wiring. Look, Fred. It's got a protective sleeve on it and everything.
Gizmos and gadgets.
What do you got there? You got more gizmos? It says U.S. made.
And I think this is your power source.
Power source. Oh, that's... Look at the heater inside of that. Is that the heater?
No, that's your AC to DC. You got any diesel put in this bitch?
Yeah.
Let me put it on the counter.
Who put all this crap in the way, Fred?
That would be you.
My light's not on. It is on.
So this is that's the back, because there's the old...
How heavy is that?
That's the poot.
Nice, good.
Poot comes
nice,
out.
good grab handles. I like that. That's nice here. Don't poke me my own knife, Fred. That's mine.
Ooh.
Look at that. So they got a protective display there that doesn't get damaged. That's good. That's good engineering. Oh, it's remote. Look at that. Well, not too remote.
Well, no, I think you can. I think this.
It's semi-remote.
Doesn't one of these allow you to extend it out?
I don't know. I didn't read the instructions, Fred.
Nor did I.
Fred, you didn't look at the pictures yet.
Oh, never mind. We have that. That's
look at the fuel tank, so you can see how the fuel level is. They got a percentage in there because we don't know what these numbers mean.
What's that? That's liters.
Oh, that's the remote. So we have a remote on it too. Nice. I like the grab handle. It's neat.
Then you have this thing.
And you can knee knock it, not hurt yourself because it's nice and rounded. Because you know I'd never hit my knee on that walking around it.
We don't know what this thing is. So shoving it back in.
We don't know. There's the heating element. I know what that does. That's where the heat is made. And it blows out. That big hose back there goes back here, Fred.
The pooter. Poot, 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 poot.
Now flip it over. Let's see what it looks like. What's the bottom look like? What's that weigh? 5 pounds? Got some metal. That ain't plastic. It's metal. Okay, don't worry about the imperfections of the looks of it. I'm pretty sure that'll catch on fire if we leave it like that.
No, that's the exhaust. That's
oh, that's heat wrap.
That's insulation.
Oh, so you can actually lay this maybe on a piece of wood and not catch fire?
You need to put battery charge this. Let's see.
Battery charge. Do you don't have batteries already worked in the thing?
I don't know.
Oh, there it is. Good. A piece of crap they sent me without batteries. Fred, don't bust my damn video. Good thing I'm downwind of that. Oh, it's coming this way.
Damn.
I don't know why they always put the exhaust pipe on the bottom. See, it doesn't sit flat either, see? It's sitting on it.
That's not good either.
Fred, where's those feet at?
Are the feet we didn't put on yet?
Well, I'm assuming that's what those brackets are.
Oh, this thing. Ah, I see you said
What's
the
in there?
blind man.
What's in there,
That
Fred?
might be over the phone.
What's in there, Fred?
And before we go forward, we must look back.
Did you break your knife again? Here.
I see. Oh, see.
That was a Ziploc bag that you destroyed that we could have put the parts in and left over, Fred. See, they gave us a Ziploc bag to reuse and you destroyed it.
It wouldn't be any good anyhow because it has this nasty old tape on
Don't
it.
lose those screws over there. I can see them.
You think they'll be standard or metric?
Here's a workbench right here.
You got a 10?
I'm pretty sure those look like wood screws, but they're weird.
You got a 10 millimeter?
10 what?
10 millimeter.
10 millimeter? What's that in American?
10 millimeter.
10 millimeter? Probably one of those two over there.
You got a freaking.
See those two right
You got
there?
a nut driver?
See those two right there?
You got a 10 millimeter nut driver?
Hey, you asked for a 10. You didn't ask for a nut driver. No, I do not have a nut driver. My nuts don't need to be driven anywhere. Does that fit?
Does it go this way?
What's on this other side? Here, flip this up.
Which way?
I want this up. That goes down. Flip it over. 180 it. Flip it over. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There we go. Now we got.
Oh, now you want it up.
Now we got a working surface. If you're spinning around like this, it actually works better for us. Okay, where's these brackets at?
I haven't read the instructions yet.
I know, we did not read no instructions yet. We are instructionless. See that hole there?
Yeah.
See those holes on the end? Look at that. They line up.
Isn't that funny?
Do we want the brackets on the inside or the outside?
No, I want them on the outside.
Do you want to be rickety or do you want it to be more stable?
Well, I suspect it's supposed to be like that.
Well, I don't know. We didn't read the instructions. There's more holes there though, but those holes have no nut screws in them. I think we're going to
these
put them.
have tiny little screws.
Let's go this direction here so we got more support because we like being hazardous around here and kicking stuff.
Trying to save the Ziploc bag.
Yeah, save that Ziploc bag because there's going to be extra hardware. Fred, what do you think of this heater so far?
It's a big box with some diesel, kind of stinky diesel.
A stinky diesel? And it doesn't stink when you're on. Well, the other one didn't. There's the competition down there. We're not supposed to show it though.
I think it's these tiny little screws here. So we don't need the one for this.
We don't need that?
No, we don't need these yet.
Do we have 4 of them?
We got 4 of those little
We got 4 black ones. It's color coordinated. They're all black.
and a Phillips screwdriver.
That is a Phillips, Fred. Oh, geez, you broke it. You broke it, Fred. That is not the one we want to use.
I brought you this snap-on like
Yeah, I'm still using it
years
too.
ago.
I don't think it's been that long. It's been 10 years maybe.
It's been 6 years since COVID, and it was a lot years before the COVID.
I don't know anything about it. I don't know what you're talking about.
We always use COVID, pre-COVID, post-COVID.
I don't go by that method. Did you find my screwdriver yet? How come my broken thumb don't like turning that screw?
Maybe because you broke your thumb.
Yeah, that could be it.
Riding the bike.
Look, you got a field line in there. Look, it's all protected. Look at that, Fred.
Lovely.
This anti-pinch hose. See, the other guy didn't care about all that stuff. He just put a hose down there, right next to it was right literally on the exhaust pipe, the hose.
What?
The feed hose for the fuel is right on the exhaust pipe, none insulated.
That's not good.
This has a 90 degree on it. That one didn't have a 90. It just went, you had to bend it, which obviously doesn't work very well.
And this has that insulation.
I know, I said that.
Looks more like a Band-Aid than a freaking piece
How come you didn't put the
insulation.
screws in here, Fred?
Out of the way.
Did you put all the screws in there?
Of course.
We have an extra one.
Because that's what they do.
Where's my arm hurt?
They assume that
I
us
think I'm holding.
dumbass
I think I'm holding too much
Americans
weight up near with my bad arm.
You assume us Americans can't figure.
Why is my 11? Why is my 9 broken ribs and shoulder and scapula hurting right now, Fred? Because I'm holding a stupid camera up too long. That's why.
Why is my C2 to C7 neck bothering me now?
Because you fused it too many times.
In
Does that mean we're old and broke?
my lower back.
We are old and broke.
Oh, hey, look, it doesn't wobble anymore.
Oh, is it solid?
Not really.
Solid enough. What I like is the fact that you can have the exhaust pipe not on top of something that's going to catch on fire. That is a big plus.
So now we can poke the pooper.
No, we got to use one to use.
We're going to poke the pooper.
No, we got to use one. No, we're going to. Oh, you broke
The
my
long or
finger.
the short one?
We're going to use a long one. We're gonna have to move over the other table though. Oh yeah, that's nice for my shoulder.
This doesn't quite look like
Fred, is that tripod in the way? Diesel's over here. Here, I'll turn the camera around. Just instead of rotating the camera, we would have to move the tripod. Where that goes? It goes up there. It goes up there. It goes like that. Fred, this has to go the other way. This doesn't work. See, this was made to go straight up and down. Now we're turning it. So now we gotta make a revision of how this is made.
No one can see your blade. Once you put it here.
I think it's just gonna have to work.
Are we trying to create the clown show now or what?
We are, sure. Put it down. Turn it. Where's the heater at? Got the inlet or out?
Let's see here. This is the out.
Okay. That goes on there. You're supposed to have a clamp on there.
Where's your diesel?
I'm going to use, obviously.
Where's your diesel?
Do we have diesel?
I have diesel in my Chevy Diesel 6.6.
Fred has diesel in his diesel truck, but he didn't bring it. Diesel.
We're missing one. I'm getting this. I'm getting the other stuff. Like
You said
the
you
plug.
wanted diesel. Yeah, I just got done filling up the other heater. So we've only got this
Hey,
one.
it looks like this thing runs off of DC too. Look at that.
We didn't get that far into it, Fred.
I am trying to tell you, this thing can run off of DC.
Yeah, but they can't see what you're talking about because you're hiding over there in the corner.
Okay, folks. We got two plugs.
Ooh, this has a filter in it.
Two plugs. This one with the two positive and negative would indicate it is we're able to do DC, or we use a AC to DC.
Fred, why does this
that
hurt
hurt?
so much?
Does
Yes,
that hurt?
it hurts like hell doing this. This has a filtered inlet thing on it.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, that hurts my arm though. Why is this hurting, Fred?
So I wonder who's going to complain the most, me or him on pain.
Oh, well, I think I'm number one right now. Cause
You're
like,
like 3 ahead of me now.
because everything I'm doing seems to be moving this arm around. That hurts. Am I in your way? I'm sorry, Fred. I'm in your way. Ooh, why did my thumb hurt when I turned that knob? These hurt broken bones. Okay, let's go see what's got going on here.
You're tired of hearing us whine about being broken?
Hey, it's made for broke dicks to do this kind of stuff. Look, it has a nice filter thing in there. Only disadvantage was it has a big hole in the bottom, or flat spots that splashes up a little bit, so you got to be careful. So don't pour too fast, but other than that, it looks good. The other bad thing is the funnel won't work, so the funnel will fall over. So.
Oh yeah, this goes only goes that deep.
So there's, like everything, there's pros and cons. Fred, you defaced the value of the machine by putting, someone else put oil
You're
on.
doing the same thing.
I did say, I got a rag though. I have a green rag, that's a clean rag. Look at that, it's spit and polish now. And how much fluid is in there, Fred?
Didn't he break freaking
There's even got fluid in it.
27%?
I don't think I got
Why would
any.
they put 20, look, 27, 40, 53, 67, 80, 93.
Well, I don't even see any fluid in there, but it's got fluid in there. And we're going to have to dump it out of this one down here to get more fluid. Fred, you're breaking the exhaust pipe.
So the plug is here.
Here, look out, Fred. You're in my way. Move your body out of my way. Move your big body out of my way. Okay, what do you got over here? It looks like an electrical plug.
For some reason you plug it in this way. Where's
Why?
your plug?
You like a corded plug?
Where's your power?
You have to unplug the light up there to get power. Where do you come off that battery down
Top
there?
or bottom?
The bottom one. Hey, don't break that cord. That's a vintage cord you're yanking on there real hard.
Okay. Ready to start this?
Okay, this has a power unit. This is 120. Fred, every time you move that, you notice how that thing is now falling out? Because you moved it. I don't know why you did that.
It's fine.
No, it's not fine. It's now out of position. You can't use it. It doesn't work. See what happens? You let an old guy that doesn't know how to think anymore do stuff? He's senile. Here we go. So the pipe has to go up the hole or it doesn't go up the hole.
I didn't know that. Yeah.
Otherwise it comes back into the room. Plus you got to point this in the direction that we want. Why are you moving it? Every time you move it, you change the plaque location, Fred. Okay.
I'm glad these people don't remember back when you were.
Oh, they're picking on me. He's picking on me. Oh.